nonsensical political sloganeering. Address the needs of the people. People are suffering. When fuel prices went up, we were told our fuel is higher because we are more developed than our neighbors. The last time I checked, fuel prices in USA is almost half what we are paying here. So USA is not developed as us. Friends, we forget very fast. There was a time when we were told that our mothers will no longer cook using firewood, that gas will reduce to 500 shillings. The last time I checked, it increased with over 500 shillings. Members of Parliament, stop being a choir and a chorus. Do your job. You are supposed to oversight. When you have budgeted, make sure that that budget reaches where it's supposed to reach so that it serves the common man.